Welcome back, guys. Today I would like to talk about crypto domains, how to use it, why we're buying it, and how to make money with it. First of all, I recommend you go and double check this article about the popular Web3 domain names services. It's ENS domains, unstoppable domains, SATS names, Space ID, near names, Tezos domains, EDNS domains. Also, here's domains on Solana. So basically, it's really easy to use. And with all this regulation, with all mass adoption, you can have your anonymous wallet and public domain name. If somebody wanna send you the money, they don't have to send money to address x10xx75b9, all these long addresses. You just send them the domain address and they can easily send you the money. For example, like this domain, how you can use it. You can build a website and get paid to this address, extremesport.crypto. You can create their own website when you can sell some stuff for sport, and the people don't have to send the money to a long wallet address. They can just type extremesport.crypto and send you the money. So this is a smart move. The people buying for the future all these names, and you never know what will hype, because we got a lot of examples when the people just create a domain names, and then somebody buying this domain names for the big money. You have to think two steps ahead. What can be in the future, what the name can be popular in the future. So the main things for domains, it's reputation, it's easy to use, and you can trade these domains. For example, you can sell it on OpenSea. We can rank it from price high to low. Of course, some people just list with unrealistic price for just random domains, but some of them can be used, for example, in the future. Also, you remember the BTC on the stacks. We already claim our BTC domain name. Also, we got an ENS domains name. And for example, we understand in 2024, we got a Euro championship in Germany, and we can track, for example, FIFA Ethereum address. It's already registered. Somebody already registered this address. We can double check who the owner of this address, when this address is expired in October 2025. For example, we can track Eminem. Somebody registered Eminem.com. Eminem registered his own domain name. Here's a manager, owner. Here's expired in 2040. So it's great. That's what I told you. The artists, the painter, the musician, the celebrities, they will definitely wanna have own domain name. That's why we can go to Unstoppable Domains, and I would like to show you how to use it. You can open an account based on Google or Twitter, or just log in with your MetaMask. Choose the MetaMask. What are the benefits to have own domain? For example, I go to my domains and I would like to show you. I got a cryptophyllite.crypto, I got cryptophyllite.ethereum, I got cryptophyllite.x. And here's claim it, here's expire in 2030, and I can manage all these domains. And for example, if I want to receive the money for some of these domains on a Polygon or an Ethereum, I just go to manage. I can add all information about myself. So it's one more protection if you're, for example, influencer, or if you're celebrities and some people send in the money, only you can add the information about yourself, official information about yourself in this dashboard. Then you can go to crypto and add the cryptocurrency addresses to this domain name. So if I share with you the cryptophyllite.x and say you, oh, you can send me the Solana. And when I add here's Solana address, you don't need to type all these long addresses. You just need to type cryptophyllite.x in your wallet, press send, and I got the Solana to my domain name, to my wallet. I can list for sale my domain names. I can list for sale on OpenSea. I can transfer my domain name to another wallet. And I'm more than sure in the future, everybody will have own domain name instead of just the basic wallet address. And one more time, if you have your public domain name, it doesn't mean you can't create as much as possible anonymous wallet. That's why, guys, you can go and claim your address, and it's easy to use, receive, and send the money. Also you can try create some cool domain names and try to trade on OpenSea. If we track the recently sold addresses on OpenSea, we can find out. So here, infopocalypsis.crypto, last sale was 0.01 Ethereum. Greece.crypto, 0.92 Ethereum. Here's onlysimps.crypto, 0.02 Ethereum. So people created domains, people traded, and they're making money. Guys, I hope you liked this video about domains. Subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. See you next time, guys.